So we're just down in Plymouth at the moment. It's our apartment over there in the background. I don't know whether you can see that right there. Where have I do it? Right there. That's where our apartment is. Anyway, this video is not about that apartment and this beautiful harbour. It's about how you can make a passive income with this system that I'm about to show you. I think it's going to blow your socks off. So if you're looking for a real passive income, one that works, one that pays your money, one where you're in control of your funds all the time, they stay inside your wallet, you don't have to send your money to somebody else. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, before I actually show you this passive income system, what I wanted to do is show you some users' accounts. And we're going to look at what they've earned over the last 30 days and see if this would help your bank account. So as you can see here, this is the profit for 30 days since the 22nd of March, and it's now the 21st of April at the time of making this video. So if we add these up, we've got $5.18 there. We plus that, we got $1,910 there. Plus that, we got $26.49. If we equal that up, this user has earned in the last 30 days $1,941. And if I divide that by 30, just to give you an average of a daily ROI, that's an average of $64 a day from doing absolutely nothing. And would that help you out today? Would you like to earn an extra $64 a day 100% passively? Let me show you another account. So if we look at this user, they've got $1,123.63 for the last 30 days. Divide that by 30. Their average earnings is $37.45. Not life-changing amounts on a daily basis, but would this top up your day job? Is this something that you would be interested to have a look at? Let me show you another account. If we look at this user's account for the last 14 days, this one, and I want to put it in the calculator, 1482, and divide that by 14 days. That's an average daily income of $105. Would that help you out today? Would you like to have a passive income that could generate you a passive income that gives you an average of $30 a day, $100 a day, $50 a day? If you're interested, then carry on watching this video. Now, what I want to do is introduce you to Johnny Blockchain. Now, it's a trading robot that trades cryptocurrencies, and you can also trade gold with it. Now, before you look at the screen and say, Jeremy, I know nothing about trading, you don't have to. You can use Johnny Blockchain if you're a complete beginner, or of course, if you're an intermediate trader or you're an advanced trader. Johnny Blockchain's trading robots does all the heavy lifting for you. And one of the most important things that you need to know at this stage, your funds stay in your control all the time. So you don't have to send the funds that you want to trade with over to Johnny Blockchain. No, they stay inside a centralized exchange like Binance, so you have full control over them, or they're inside your MetaMask wallet, and that trades via a smart contract, and you have your funds at your fingertips all the time. You can withdraw, spend, set up new robots, do whatever you like because you're in control of your funds. Now, if we look at Johnny Blockchain's success rate, it's done just over 1 million successful trades where those trades have ended in profit. And if we look at the trades that didn't make a profit, there's only 8,152 trades that made a loss. This is a real trading robot. It's not going to get you 100% results all the time, but I think you'll see over 1 million successful, profitable trades. It does what it says on the tin. Now, there's something else I want to show you, and that is the daily ROI that some of these robots are generating. So if we look down this left-hand side, we've got some tokens. If we go down there, you see there's lots of tokens with lots of daily ROIs. If we look at this one at the top here, it says feet. Now, it says there 65.78%. Now, that's not for one robot. There's 325 robots, if we look there, that are trading this. So let's get our calculator. And what we do is we'll put the 65.78 in there and divide that by 325, just to show you a realistic ROI for this trading robot. Now, you might look at that and say, well, that's not life-changing, Jeremy, but it is, because what would you get if you popped your money into a bank account? What would you get if you were just buying a cryptocurrency and holding it? The markets are down at the moment, and this robot, for this particular token, has generated 0.2% in the last 24 hours. Let's have a look at the next one. This one is 60.18. and we divide that, this is for Bitcoin, divide that by the robots that are trading it, which is over there at 207. So this is given in the last 24 hours for its users 2.9% ROI. Absolutely mind-blowing. In the last hour, Bitcoin has started to pump up. So tomorrow, that number's going to be changing. It's going to be above what the pumps are, because obviously the robot's going to make money on those dips as well. Let's look at the next one. This one here, 21% for this SUI coin. So 21.6%. And we divide that by the amount of robots, which is 210. You can see that's a 0.1 ROI. Real ROIs, okay? These are not pie in the sky stuff where they're generating 3, 4, 5, 10% a day, like some systems will tell you that they're doing. This is generating real passive income. Create your own trading robot. Below this video, you're going to find a link. It's going to take you over to Johnny Blockchain. You've got decentralized trading or centralized trading. Your funds stay inside your wallets all the time. So if you're using the decentralized, your funds stay inside your MetaMask. If you're using the centralized on Binance, then your funds stay inside your Binance account. You don't have to send your funds to this platform to do the trading for you. You can create a free account by clicking on sign up or register. Going to bring you here, pop your name, your email address, password, put some ticks in these boxes, click on this box here to say complete my sign up. You can have a look round, and when you're ready to get started, if you want to set up a decentralized trading robot, it's going to cost you $25 a year to set up as many trading robots as you like. If you want to set up a centralized trading robot with Binance, it's going to cost you another $25 a year, and you can set up as many robots as you like. So if you want to set up both decentralized and centralized trading robots, it's just $50 a year for as many trading robots as you like. Click the link below, come and create your free account, and happy trading.